Hello everyone, I'm Sumana Roy. Welcome to Blissful Times. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with a new video. The topic of the video is ETM. So if you want to know what is ETM, stay tuned, and first please like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can know when I'm uploading my videos. So here I am with a new video, ETM. So what is ETM? You have heard of ATM, but have you ever heard of ETM? Then let's see what is ETM. E stands for energy, T stands for time, and M stands for money. So ETM is very important because if ETM is high, then only your ATM will be overloaded. So if you want some tips how to overload your ATM, stay tuned and there will be tips at the end. So ETM, energy. What is energy? Energy is nothing but it is everything. We cannot see energy. As we all know, energy cannot be created or cannot be destroyed. But yes, energy is everywhere. Energy is in the universe. Everything is related to energy. So it is very important for us to save energy. Energy is in many forms, but I am talking about human energy, human power. Whenever we perform anything, we use our energy. Like we sometimes say, I'm feeling very exhausted today. Or we say, oh, I'm feeling so energetic, I'm feeling so excited. That means that day when I'm feeling exhausted, I have used all my energy. That's why I'm feeling exhausted. But the next day or the other day when I'm feeling energetic, I'm feeling excited, that means I have my energy, my power. So it is very important to save the energy. How can we save our energy? We can save our energy while performing some duties, work, and when we are doing something which is important, which is very much required for us to do, that time we are using our energy in a positive way. But sometimes we just sit around, gossip, or we do something which is actually not relevant for us, which is not required, which is just wasting of your energy. Sometimes we talk to somebody, we argue with somebody unnecessarily. That time also we are losing our energy. We are using our energy in a wrong way. So always think when you are doing something, whether you are using your energy or you are just wasting your energy. Because we have a small span of life and energy is very much required for performing our duties, performing our work, our responsibility. So please save your energy so that you can perform your work efficiently, nicely, and with full of energy. Now, second thing is time. We all know time is very precious. Time is something which cannot, whether you are rich, whether you are poor, you cannot control time. Time is something which is just out of our control. But yes, at the same time, time is something which we can use efficiently. If we use efficiently, it is something which is you are saving for your future. Time is Money is time. We all know that. But how is it so? Because whenever we are doing something, we are using our time for that work. And the work we are performing, it is how much important for us, whether we are using our time for a positive thing, whether we are using our time to grow something, to make something new, or to improve my life or improve somebody's life, then we are using our time in a correct way, in an efficient way. So whenever we are talking to someone, whenever we are doing something, just think before utilizing your time, that whether you are using your time efficiently, correctly or not. If you save your time, you are saving your life's important part, because we all have some limited time for us, isn't it? We are here with some span of time. Our lifespan is our time. So how we are using our time is very much important. Whether we are using it in a positive way, doing some good work, doing some charity, learning something, giving something important to others, is the way we are using our time. Or we are just gossiping, just wasting, sleeping, lying down here and there and talking nonsense to anyone. We are just wasting our time. So please, if you want that your wallet should be full of money, your wallet should be overloaded, then you have to save your time, you have to utilize your time efficiently. Now, the last thing is money. Money we all know how to save, but still, sometimes we forget that it is very important. It is important because money is something, it is the other way of energy, because without the exchange of energy we don't get anything. So money gives everything, and at the same time money is nothing. But we all need money for our daily life, to do our work, to perform our responsibility, to get the things which is required in our life, the things which is the part of our life. Money is something which is very much required for to deal with the day-to-day requirement of our life. So the important part of our life is money, and money is time, and time is energy we are using to do something. And by saving our time, we are saving our energy, and in this way we are saving our ATM, we are making our ATM overloaded. But at the same time, how to make money, how to create money, for that there is few tips for you. First thing is, whenever we talk of prosperity, we talk of money, we know Lakshmi. Lakshmi is very important because in our Hindu mythology, the goddess of money is luxury, is Ma Lakshmi. So the most important thing is how to get Ma Lakshmi. According to Vastu, the place for Ma Lakshmi is south direction. Yes, south direction. So make clutter-free house, make your south direction clean, tidy, and if you can add some red color to that direction, that will create money. And southeast direction, that is also flow of money, source of money. So if you can light any zero power, light a zero power red color bulb in southeast direction, that will also make the flow of money. So for prosperity and flow of money, clean your south and southeast direction, make that place beautiful, make that place clutter free, make that place beautiful, clutter free, and can light some candle in the evening, or and after sunset light that red lamp in the southeast corner. And after few days just do this, and there will be a change in your life, there will be a prosperity in your life, and you will feel that you have done a positive thing. So make your south and southeast beautiful and light it with red color, and welcome Ma Lakshmi in your house, and hope you all will try to improve your ETM so that you can improve your ATM. Don't forget to share, like and comment. Do subscribe to my channel. Have a blissful time.